how to create an e-commerce website with WordPress 2020. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to create an online business. So if you're looking to create an e-commerce website, this is the tutorial you need to watch, because I'm going to make it really easy, simple, and within 2 minutes you're going to learn how to create an e-commerce website. You don't even need to look at other tutorials. So first things first. So guys, currently I'm using Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. I have a 70% discount. The link is down below. The reason I choose this is because they give you a free domain, free SSL, and it's very easy to install. So guys, let's begin. All you have to do is just click on get started. So I've already purchased it, so I'm just going to log in. So I'm just clicking on the login button. So once you purchase this, you would get your login details. So currently I'm in my Bluehost dashboard. All you have to do is click on my sites. So once you click on my sites, all you have to do is create a site. Then you need to put your e-commerce website name. So let's say I'm going to call it ecom1. Okay, and then you put your tagline. You can put whatever you're selling. If you're selling t-shirts, put your slogan or your tagline. I'm not going to put any tagline, just for demo purposes. Click on next. If you want to install, you could install this, but I would suggest not to install. And ecom1, you don't have to put this. The reason I'm putting this is I already have a website on yavarkhan.com. So that's the reason, but you just have to select your domain and you would get a free domain in the Bluehost. So don't worry about that. And then you can just type that, click next, and it will just take you few seconds to install WordPress. So let's begin. Let's count till 3. 1, 2, 3. So as you could see, within 3 seconds I was able to install WordPress. And then all you have to do is log into WordPress. So once you're in your dashboard, this is your WordPress dashboard. So first thing is pat on your back, congratulate yourself that you have installed WordPress. So that means you have completed 50% of your task. So this is your website right now. It looks very simple and basic. Now all you have to do is click on appearance themes and just click on add new theme. Don't forget to click over here, because people always ask me, I search over here and I cannot find it. So all you have to do is click on add new. Once you're over here, click on Astra. So the Astra is the theme which we are going to install. And once you click over here, just click on install now. So now it's installing. Once it's installed, click on activate. So now your website is activated. If I go back to our website, refresh it, everything would be changed. So now it's looking a little bit better, but not an e-commerce website. So now once this is done, all you have to do is on the left hand side, if you could see Astra options, you need to click over here. And once you click over here and then scroll down, and then as you could see over here, install importer plugin, just click over here. So appearance, Astra options, and then install importer plugin. So once that's done, so it's waiting depending on your internet speed. So now we are going to select Elementor. Okay, this is one of the best free page builder plugin for WordPress. Just click here. So once this is done, now as you could see here, these are free themes. So the ones which says agency are paid, but the ones which does not say agency are free. So all you have to do is click on e-commerce, and then once you click on e-commerce, select free. So these are the free websites. So we would install this one. Okay, and we would just click. So this is how our website would look. So it's just loading right now. So this is how our website would look. We would be able to buy things. So if you have merchandise like t-shirts, pants, everything, so you could sell, you could design it. So all you have to do is click on import complete site. Okay, so now select everything and just import. So see, depending on your internet speed, it's going to take around 2 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to pause the video and come back again. So just wait for 2 minutes. So now as you could see, it's completed. So it says imported successfully, and then I'm just going to click on view site. So currently, as you could see right now, this is our website. Looks really cool. Okay, so now if you want to edit it, it's very simple to edit. So just click on edit page. So once you click on edit page, click on edit with Elementor. So now it's loading. So once you are over here, it's very easy to edit. So all you have to do is, if you want to change something, let's say you're selling t-shirts, best, you can write best quality t-shirts. If you want to delete this, right click and delete, and then just update, and then you can click on preview changes. Just click on this eye, it will show you preview changes, and then as you could see over here, it's showing the best quality t-shirts. And I'm going to give you one more tip called Unsplash. So this is a website where they give you free images. So if I type t-shirt, so as you could see, really good. So I can just download it. Once you download it, so as you could see, if I open the folder and if I click on properties, as you could see, it's 2 MB, so which is really big for a website, and you don't have to upload the same image, so you need to compress it online. The reason we are compressing it is because the more bigger this file, the more time it will take to load your website, and you don't want that. You want your website to load super fast. That's the reason we build our website with Bluehost. And guys, I have a 70% discount for that, so the link is down below. But anyways, once this is done, you can download all, and then you can come back to our website, click on this image. You can replace the image with the image which we selected. So I can just open it right now. Just open it. So now as you could see, it decreased. Drop the file here. I think so I need to extract and then update, so I'm just gonna do that. So now it's getting uploaded. So once the image is uploaded, all you have to do is click on insert media, and then this is the image. Looks really cool. So it's loading right now, and if I just click on update and then refresh, so it looks really cool. It looks vintage. So yeah, this is how it is. Now let's get back to how to edit. If you don't want this one, you can just cancel it. Okay, and then just update, and then you come over here, so you could see that thing is gone. So that's it. And now let's say you want to edit these images, or you want to add your own products. So before adding products, I'm gonna give you one cool tip again, which is go on AliExpress. You could do a lot of drop shipping. So if I just click over here, if I write t-shirt, so as you could see, they cost you $3 to $4 or $5, or even this one, and you could sell them for, if I just say calculator, okay, so imagine, let's say one shirt maximum cost you around $5, okay, and you sell 10 t-shirts, okay, that's $50. But imagine you sell one t-shirt for $25, okay, into 10, so you are getting $250, and just minus the cost, so that's 2x returns. Okay, so guys, I'm just telling you, it's very easy. So let's say you want to add this one. Okay, so let's open this. Looks really cool. So just for demo purposes, I'm gonna save this t-shirt design. Okay, where did it go? Okay, just this one. Save image. downloads. So I have saved it. So now how do I add this to my website? So it's very easy, guys. Just go on dashboard again. So once you're in your dashboard, now all you have to do is products, add new. Okay, it's very easy, guys. It's nothing complicated. You can type best, sorry, you can type best t-shirt, and then the next thing which you could do is select the product image. I'm going to upload the image which I just saved from AliExpress. You can just say capture, and then I could just set product image. You just set product image. Once this is done, you can write the description of the, so let's say just copy the whole thing. Okay, just copy the new 3D, copy this over here, come back to your, paste it over here, come back again over here. So you can create a size chart as well over here and just paste it over here. You can just, so now you pasted this over here, you pasted this information over here, and then you can add the price over here. The regular price is, let's say 50, and then your selling price is 25, and you can choose the category from here. It's a t-shirt. You can click on update. Once this is done, then you can click on preview changes, click over here, and as you could see, from 50 to 25, add to cart, and then this is the description. So let's say you want this description over here, very easy, just switch control X and then control V, and then just the same thing over here. We want this one on the bottom, update, and then refresh. I'm just going to refresh again. So now as you could see, this one's coming on the top and the size chart is coming down. Now you might be wondering, these are pounds, how do I change it to dollars? Very simple again. All you have to do is click on WooCommerce and then setting, and then if you scroll down, you could see you can put your own country, or you could just put, scroll down, save changes, refresh, and as you could see right now it's $25, and you could make a lot of changes. I'm not going to go much in detail. I'm going to make it much simpler as it is, and that's it, guys. So if I just click on all products, so as you could see, this t-shirt, best t-shirt, if I click over here and then add to cart. Now if you want to add a payment gateway, it's very easy again. All you have to do is click on payments. You can add your PayPal, you could add Stripe, you could do cash on delivery, you can do a lot of things over here, and there are a lot of plugins as well, which I'm not going to go in detail right now. I'm just going to keep it basic. So this is how you install a e-commerce website, very simple. And let me know in comments if you need any help, or if you need an in-depth tutorial on how to set up the product page, how to set up the payment gateway. Let me know in comments so I can make a new video explaining everything, because I want this video to be short and very simple so everyone could understand. And I just want to let you know that it's so easy to create an e-commerce website. Anyone could do it. So if you want to sell anything, you can just do it right now. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. And if you really like the video, or if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.